Well, it's been a little while since I made a little video here. This is Mad Hatter 2977, and I think I got something pretty exciting to show you guys. So basically, I'm going to start off with telling you guys what digital root sequence codes are. I'm not sure if any of you guys are familiar or not, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you guys how it basically goes. So anytime you have double digits, triple digits, quadruple digits, you add them together to break it down to its digital root. Now, the first 9 numbers are your digital roots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. When you take the numbers and you multiply them by themselves, a code will reveal itself. For instance, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18. Well, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 plus 4 is 5, 1 plus 6 is 7, and 1 plus 8 is 9. The resultant code would be 2468 13579. Now, there are 8 codes that, well, actually, there are 9 codes that repeat themselves over and over and over again. You can literally take any number. Every number can reveal a digital root sequence code. For instance, the number 789. Well, 7 plus 8 plus 9 equals 24, and 2 plus 4 equals 6. So what you do is you take the number and you multiply it by itself however many times you want, and the code will reveal itself. 789 we know is a 6. The next sequence is 1578. 1 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8 equals 21, and 2 plus 1 is 3. 2367. 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 7 equals 18. 1 plus 8 equals 9. When you do this all the way down, and it doesn't matter how many times you multiply this number, this code will just repeat itself over and over and over again. The repeating digital root sequence code for 789 is 639639639. As I've stated before, there are 8, technically 9 codes that repeat themselves over and over and over again. Those codes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 4, 8, 3, 7, 2, 6, 1, 5, 9, 5, 1, 6, 2, 7, 3, 8, 4, 9, 6, 3, 9, 6, 3, 9, 6, 3, 9, 7, 5, 3, 1, 8, 6, 4, 2, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 9, and the last digital root code that is found within the multiplication sequence is 999 999 999. Now, the cool thing about these codes is when you rearrange them, in the center, it always changes. So there's going to be a sequence that shows up, and I'm going to show you guys how it shows up. So the first code will look like this. And in the middle is 7227. The second code will look like this. And in the middle is 5445. The third code will look like this, being 36 and 63. The fourth code will look like this, being 1881. And in this code, the middle is 8118. Here we are seeing in the middle it is 6336. 45 and 54 in the next codes. And 2772 in the last digital root sequence codes. Now what I did next was I took all those numbers that were in the center of those matrices and I placed them down here. So 7227, 5445, 3663, 1881, 8118, 6336, 4554, and 2772. And I wrote the corresponding matrices down beneath it. So in the center of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 matrix was 7227. In the center of the 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 matrix was 5445. In the center of the 369, 369, 369 matrix was 3663. In the center of the 48372615 matrix was 1881. In the center of the 51627384 was the 8118. In the center of the 639639639 matrix was 6336. In the center of the 75318642 matrix was 4554. In the center of the 876543219 matrix was 2772. So what I did next was I realized that in the center, each one of these, if you add like 72 plus 27, that equals 99. 54 plus 45, 99. 36 plus 63, 99. 18 plus 81, 99. 81 plus 18, 99. 63 plus 36, 99. 45 plus 54, 99. 27 plus 72, 99. So I knew that 99 was going to be a key figure number that we were going to be looking at. So what I did next was I took the number 99 and I multiplied it a bunch of times until I could find the numbers that matched up here in the multiplications of 99. So in the 19th position was 1881. I put a 1 right here. In the 28th position was 2772. I put a 2 up here. 37th position was 3663. I put a 3 right here. 46th position was 4554. Put a 4 right here. 55th position was 5445. Put a 5 right here. 64th position was 6336. Put a 6 right here. 73rd position was 7227. Put a 7 right here. And 82nd position was 8118. Put an 8 right here. Now, what numbers do you see show up here? 7, 5, 3, 1, 8, 6, 4, 2. Or if you were to do it backwards, it would be 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 3, 5, 7. So really, you're seeing these two codes here, 246813579 and 7531864229. Now here's where the neat part comes in. If you were to take the number 9 and you were to multiply it a bunch of times, you get 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, and 81. Now where do you see these numbers show up? You see these numbers show up right here. 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81. Your 9 times multiplication chart. So if you guys can remember, I took the matrix of the 7531864229 and I modified it a little bit. Now, as you can see, I have these numbers in purple and these numbers in green. And why do I have these numbers in green? Well, if you look here, right in the center is your 9 times multiplication table. 9 times 2, 9 times 3, 9 times 4, 9 times 5, 9 times 6, 9 times 7, 9 times 8, 9 times 9. And it goes backwards as well. 9 times 9, 9 times 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. It's pretty cool. Now, that's not the only part that will pretty much blow your mind. In the center, you have 45 and 54. Well, if you were to take the numbers 45 to 54 and add them together, so 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, you'd get the number 495. Now, 495 is interesting because in the septenary cipher, if you were to take Lord Jesus Christ and you were to add them all together, you would get 13, 27, 32. Well, if you were to break them down to the digital root, what do you get? 1 plus 3 is 4, 2 plus 7 is 9, 3 plus 2 is 5. 495. Now, 495 shows up all over the place. So here what you're looking at, what I did was I took the numbers, so from 1 to 9, so 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 equals 45. 9 to 18. 9 plus 10 plus 11 plus 12 plus 13 plus 14 plus 15 plus 16 plus 17 plus 18. 135. 18 to 27. 18 plus 19 plus 20 plus 21 plus 22 plus 23 plus 24 plus 25 plus 26 plus 27. 225. 27 to 36. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 315. 36 to 45. 405. 45 to 54, directly in the center, 495, just like Lord Jesus Christ. The following numbers are 54 to 63, you get 585. 63 to 72, you get 675. 72 to 81, 765. 81 to 90, 855. And 90 to 99, you get 945. Now, when you add all these together, so 45 plus 135 plus 225 plus 315 plus 405 plus 495 plus 585 plus 675 plus 765 plus 855 plus 945, you get 5,445. That's a very key number because it is the total of the 99 times multiplication table with its mirror numbers. So I'll show you what that looks like in just a second here. So as you can see here, you have your 99 multiplication table. So 99 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 times 6 times 7 times 8 times 9 times 10. Now, 99 plus 990, its mirror, 1089. 198 plus its mirror, 891, 1089. 297 plus 792, 1089. 396 plus 693, 1089. 495 plus 594, 1089. Now, the cool thing about this is with the 99 multiplication table, there's two words that actually appear in, if you were to use basic A equals 1 to Z equals 26 Gematria. Those two words are B-I-G, spelling the word big, D-I-E, die. Now, if you were to modify the Gematria values a little bit, and you were to change them to using 9 instead of 1, 18 instead of 2, 27 instead of 3, 36 instead of 4, and so forth and so forth. So, basically by 9s. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, 99, 108, 117, 126, 135, 144, 153, 162, 171, 180, 189, 198, 207, 216, 225, 234. Some very interesting things happen. Take the word heaven, for example. 72 being your H, 45 being your E, 9 being your A, 198 being your V, 45 E, 126 N. Add them together, you get 495 as well. 495. So you can kind of say that when Lord Jesus Christ died, D-I-E, he went to heaven. Pretty safe to say, eh? Now, here what you're looking at is the Luna Magic Square. Now, it's not exactly the Luna Magic Square, but it's the digital roots. So, what I found when I broke each number down to its digital root, what I was showing you earlier in the video, was a sequence appeared. And what do you see here? You see 495, 495, 495, 495, 495, 495, 495. And again, 495, 495, 495, 495, 495, 495, 495. What you're seeing is 7 vertical 495s and 7 horizontal 495s. Now, technically, you could say that's 77. Now, what's cool about 77? Well, the cool thing about 77 is if you were to take the Gematria values of a equals 1 to z equals 26, and you calculate the word Christ, it equals 77. Now, here's the actual Luna Magic Square, and here are the corresponding digital roots. That's when I noticed that there was the 7 horizontal 495s and 7 vertical 495s. The next thing about the Luna Magic Square that I wanted to show you guys is that if you follow the numbers 1 to the number 81, it actually flows in a spiral pattern. So look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then you go over here, 6, 7, 8, 9, drop down, 10, 11, 12, go up, 13, 14, 15, swirl around, 16, 17, 18, drop down, 19, 20, flow up, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, flow down, 26, 27, 28. Like it's a spiral pattern. So I'll do this one more time a little bit farther away from the camera. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, drop down, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it's a spiral pattern. It's really interesting. The other thing that's really cool about the Luna Magic Square is if you were to take each number and add them horizontally, each row will be 369. If you were to add each number vertically, each row will be 369. Now, 369 times 9 is 3,321. Now, the cool thing about 3,321 is when you add its 369, you get 3,690. So 3690. Nikola Tesla said if you understood the magnificence of 369, you would have keys to the universe. Now, where I went from there was I was playing around with the number 1332 because 1332 equates to a lot of very significant words. For instance, if you were to take the word morning star would be 1,332. Now, if you take the mirror of 1,332, so that'd be 2,331, you get 3,663. Now, if you're to take 3 times 663, you get 1,989. Now, the weird thing about that is I was actually born in 1989, so I thought that was pretty cool. Now, 1989 plus 1332, so the year that I was born plus the morning star equals 3,321, which is the total of the Luna Magic Square, the total sum. Now, remember that Gematria value of a equals 9 to z equals 234? Well, here's an interesting fact. If you were to take the word love, it would equal 486. If you were to take the word Jesus, it would equal 666. Add them together and you get 1,152. Now, 1,152 times 2 is 2,304. 1,152 times 3 is 3,456. So, the cool thing about that is 234, 3456. Well, if you were to add 234 plus 3456, you get 3690. The same as your 3321 plus 369. So I thought that was pretty interesting. Now, playing along with the numbers again, I took the numbers
1 times 1 times 1 being 1, 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8, 3 times 3 times 3, 27, 4 times 4 times 4, 64, 5 times 5 times 5, 125, 6 times 6 times 6, 216, 7 times 7 times 7 is 343, 8 times 8 times 8, 512, 9 times 9 times 9, 729. The digital roots for these numbers here are 189, 189, 189. 189 plus 189 plus 189 is 567. 567 plus 765 is 1,332, which is the morning star, as I was talking about earlier. Now, if you were to take 729 plus 512, it would equal 1241. Add 343 to that, so the next step up is 1584. When you add 216, it would be 1800. When you add 125, it's 1,925. When you add 64, there's that magic 1989 again. When you add 27, you get 2016. When you add 8, you get 2024. And when you add 1, you get 2025. So what I'm thinking is that here are dates in the past that things have happened. And from 1989 to 2016, well, that's your past as well, technically, but it's in current times. And 2024 to 2025, well, that can only be characterized as in the future. So is something going to happen in 2024 or 2025? One can only wonder. And here I'm just showing you how the 1332 also breaks down. So if you were to play around with the numbers a little bit, so like 1 plus 3 is 4, then your 3 and your 2, so 432. Or you could be 1, 3 and 3 is 6, and 2. Or you could be... What else did I do? You could also go 3 plus 1 would be 7, and your 2, so 72. Or you could go... Like, there's so many different ways you could do it. It's pretty neat. So on the bottom you get your 9, and on the top you get your 9. So as above, so below. And as you can see right here, using your Gematria alphabet as the 9 times table, morning star equals 1332. Now these digital root sequence codes, they also relate to words. Every word, every book, everything can be related to one of these 9 codes. Now, why do I say that? Well, in Gematria, words can equal numerical values. For instance, Jesus would be 246813579. Why do I say that? Well, the word Jesus equals 74, using your A equals 1 to Z equals 26. So if that was the Gematria value that we wanted to go with, this would be the code that would represent Jesus. If you wanted to look at the word, or even a sentence of words, say the Holy Bible, that equals 123. If you were to go A equals 1 to Z equals 26. 123 equals 6. 123, and if you were to multiply it a bunch of times, it would be 639, 639, 639. So this would be the Holy Bible. So, Jesus, the Holy Bible. Here's a couple words that would equate to the following sequence codes. Honesty, proclaims, prophecy, saving grace, truth. That equals 106. 1 plus 6 is 7. So you could technically say that this code here represents honesty, proclaims, prophecy, saving grace, and truth. Messenger respects would be 105. 1 plus 5 is 6. 639, 639, 639, just like the Holy Bible. We could go with devotion, which would be 104. 104 is 5, so devotion, 516, 273, 84. 103 would be lessons, which would be 4. So right here could be lessons, 48372615. So as you can see, all these codes could technically represent words. They could represent sentences, phrases, books. There's so much that could be represented with just these sequence of numbers. Another thing that's pretty cool with the 9 times multiplication table, so 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, and 81, is you'll notice the pattern 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It also goes this way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, and 81. These are some pretty big findings that just blow my mind. If you play around with Gematria enough, you'll notice that if you calculated enough words and used enough of the different Gematria values and correlated between the group of them, you'll find some pretty amazing things. Just for instance here, 106, 105, 104, 103. So it's like a run. Honesty proclaims prophecy, saving grace, truce, messenger respects devotion, lessons. It's like it talks to you. It's truly divine. Put in the work, guys. You really want to know, like, you really want to speak to the divine. You really want to know what the divine is thinking. Try this stuff. I'm telling you, and approach it with an honest heart, because that's what it's about. It's about building a relationship with the divine. Numbers are a language. Words are numbers. Words are geometry. They're shapes. They're masculine, they're feminine. You guys got to really understand that this is much, much, much deeper than people realize. It's taking the art of gematria, it's taking the art of mathematics, it's taking the art of science, it's taking religion, spirituality, it's combining it all together, and it's making something truly very beautiful. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. It's been a little bit longer than I normally make. I've tried to really express everything in as clear a way as possible, because this is a lot of information to take in. But if you guys enjoyed the video, share it, drop a like, drop a comment. If you guys seen something that I missed, let me know. This has been Mad Hatter 2977, and thank you guys very much once again. Much love, guys.